I'm thinking a handler. Do you want to film this so you can hear?
Yeah.
Okay, curtains on this side, curtains on that side. A handler on each side, okay? I get into the splits, I give a nod, the handler knows to tell the dog whatever to go. And actually, I can sew in if I needed to. Well, no, I could sew in invisible thread that we could actually just clip to the dog.
So when they walk across it,
So they just walk across the stage. That's all they have to do. It could be that simple.
Could it be dangerous, like if they ran across?
No, because we're attached to the ceiling.
Okay.
It wouldn't be great, but the cutest thing for the audience would be if the dog could, even if it was attached to him, put his mouth on it.
Yeah.
And just
That's why I
walk
walk a tree.
and drop it, which is fine. I just don't want him to eat him yet.
He might eat the fabric.
So the dog would have to know how to carry things already.
The dog has to carry something. But the thought is, as a safety, as a backup, what I can also do is tie invisible string to the other end of the fabric, and we can have that invisible string already running to this side, so that as the dog walks across, the handler over here could pull the fabric if it needs to be, and the handlers on both sides could keep me straight if necessary. So that's my thought. It's
Okay.
not complicated.
Well, let's see if